How to detox with a coconut oil cleanse to get rid of parasites, viruses, and fungal infections. If you want to get rid of the harmful parasites, bacteria, and viruses from your body, coconut oil detox is the right solution for you. It is a completely natural and extremely effective way to eliminate all the toxins from your body in a short period of time. Probably, the first thing that comes to your mind is what makes this detox so effective. Well, the answer is that coconut oil is a great source of medium-chain triglycerides which can significantly strengthen the immune system. Moreover, it has a rich content of lauric and caprylic acid, both of which have potent antimicrobial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. They can attack harmful bacteria, without affecting the friendly bacteria, which in turn leads to a balanced gut flora in the digestive system. Many studies prove that coconut oil has the ability to kill yeast and other fungal overgrowths in the body. Benefits of coconut oil: helps balance intestinal flora, boosts immunity system, boosts energy levels, eliminates excess body fat, improves blood sugar control, improves brain health and mental clarity, prevents cardiovascular diseases, high blood pressure, stroke, heart attack, boosts HDL, good cholesterol, prevents cancer, improves digestive function, improves thyroid function, improves skin tone and appearance, protects and restores joint function, prevents and treats Crohn's disease, prevents and treats degenerative brain diseases, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, MS. Protects against bacterial, viral, fungal, and parasitic infections. How to detox with a coconut oil cleanse. In order to get the maximum benefits from coconut oil, make sure to use organic, raw extra virgin coconut oil. During the coconut oil cleanse, make sure to drink plenty of water, so you can be able to eliminate the parasites. In a case you have never taken coconut oil before, it is very important to slowly incorporate it into your diet before starting a coconut oil detox, so your body will be able to adjust. It is recommended to start with 1 teaspoon, 3 times a day, then slowly work your way up to 1-2 tablespoons, 3 times a day. It takes about 2 weeks to work up to the full amount. Once you're able to take this much coconut oil, then you can start the coconut oil detox. Directions: mix coconut oil with warm water and consume it from 3 to 7 days. During this coconut oil detox, it is recommended to consume 10-14 tablespoons of coconut oil a day. You can take 2 tablespoons at 2-hour intervals throughout the day. If you are not able to tolerate the taste of coconut oil, you can mix it with organic, unsweetened, unflavored yogurt. You can also consume no more than 4 ounces of fresh, unsweetened, non-dried coconut meat rich in fiber. This will nourish the good bacteria in your gut. Note: in a case you have any medical conditions, it is very important to consult your physician before you start a coconut oil cleanse.
Yeah.